Now, this video is a continuation of the previous video on Nisan 17. So if you missed that video, please go back and watch it because it has some important dates and events that occur on Nisan 17 in scripture. Now, Easter is said to be Passover, but there are some very obvious contrasts. So let's look at these. Easter occurs on the first full moon after the spring equinox. Passover starts on Nisan 14 and is an 8-day-long festival. There are a host of witnesses to back up the occurrence of Passover, but only one witness in scripture about Easter. Last year was huge for me. Easter fell on March 31st, 2024, while Passover occurred on April 22nd, 2024 to Tuesday, April 30th. I'm no scholar, I'm a disciple, shameless plug, but if these two feast days are the same, how were they almost a month apart?